shows you how. At the back, it shows you how it looks like. Here's the mold when you do all the frosting, and I'm gonna do that with my mom. Yeah. Darn it! Ooh, this cord is heavy. Now my mom is coming now to pick this up. Hi guys, and we have to stop the video. Sorry. So here's all the molds. So we're gonna use this cup of bowl to spread all the, and you need 1 cup of water, frosting this, the molder, and 3 eggs, oil, and sprinkles. Are we gonna use these?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Marshmallows.
So first we have to put water. Whoa, be careful guys. Just a whole lot of water. Whoa! Spread it all up. Spread it all up. And then we put eggs. Let's move this a little bit. Ooh, that looks like strawberry. Yummy, yummy.
We're going to put this here.
Yeah, yolk. Yolk, guys. You'll never want yolk. And that's yolk right there.
Squirt it out. Yeah.
What's wrong with this egg? Knock to my ear, knock to my ear. Oil. Oh, y'all be careful with this oil. And then we mix it up. So my mom's gonna get the mixer. Oh, pink, it looks ugly. It looks like mountains and water. Egg, dirty egg. People then dough and pink milk. So y'all might want to don't touch it because that is super hot. So let's get started.
We're gonna put these like this. We kind of have to be a little quick because then they'll start cooking.
Mine keeps on dropping. I'm not that good. I need you.
Be very, very careful. Have a parent help you because these are really, really, really hot. Just pour them in there slowly. You're not gonna burn yourself as long as you just just do it from here. We're kind of getting a little messy with this.
Mommy! Scoop it up.
We're getting kind of messy with it. This is our first time using it, so we were only supposed to be careful right there. A little bit, there. It's going to puff up. Okay, and then we're going to close it.
There
you go. And then
here's my cake pot.